Dsers versus CJ Dropshipping for dropshipping. Which is better? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we will be comparing these two best platforms when it comes to dropshipping. So for those who are unfamiliar with dropshipping, here's the dropshipping business model. So here you must have your own online store first. You can make use of Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, or GoDaddy, or any other website builder where you can build your own online store. So once you have your store, your dropshipping will start here. So here in the dropshipping business model, you have your customer, and your customer will visit your online store, and for example, they order a product that costs $200, and then you get that order from your store and you will send the order directly to your supplier. Not exactly you are the one who will be sending it, but you need to set up your online store to send this order directly to your supplier. And your supplier can be Dsers or CJ Dropshipping. It's where you will get all your products, and from your supplier, the product only costs you $150. And then your supplier is the one who will ship the product directly to your customers. And of course, they will change the sender information and they add your information as the sender since your customer bought the product from your online store. So from that, you are able to get $50 profit. So that's how the dropshipping business works. Now let's take a look if which of these two dropshipping platforms is the best when it comes to pricing, features, convenience, and more. And to let you know, both platforms they partnered with AliExpress. So all the products you can find inside Dsers and also CJ Dropshipping are from AliExpress. And AliExpress is a China supplier if you don't know. They have a lot of products to offer, plus the price is, of course, cheaper than the other supplier. So let's first review Dsers. So Dsers, with the proven AliExpress integration, empowers you to place unlimited orders to your suppliers on AliExpress in just a seconds. And you can pay them in bulk as well. However, Dsers has its pricing plan. So let's just click on the pricing. They have a free plan, but it only offers very limited features. So let's check their pricing here. So with their free plan, you can see that you can get the basic features such as customer support, book order, as I mentioned earlier, 3 store limit, and 3,000 product limit per account, but no saver shipping. As you can see, you can only change the product's price once a month, up to 2 supplier only, and no tracking features included in your free plan, no affiliate, and no customization. So that is what you get with the free plan. So if you need those features not included in the free plan, you can upgrade to the advanced plan for $19.90 per month. And you can check the features included. Here, this is good for small dropshipping business, of course. As you can see, they have also good features included in this plan. And this is perfect for small dropshipping business. But if you have a growing dropshipping business and you receive a lot of orders, you can upgrade your plan to Pro plan for $49.90 per month, or you can go to Enterprise plan for $499 per month if you really have a big business already. And as you can see here, all the paid plans they have, you can get first priority customer support. Unlike the free plan, you can only get customer support, but you are not the first priority. This can be good platform to use if you have your Shopify stores, since this platform works very well with Shopify. Plus, the shipping from Dsers is much better and faster than the others. You may also integrate your Wix online store or WooCommerce. Dsers only have few options when it comes to integration. So if your store is from different platforms, for example, from eBay, Etsy, and others, then this is not one for you. Now let's check the CJ Dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping is a platform integrated with product sourcing, order processing and shipping fulfillment. Same with the Dsers. However, CJ Dropshipping is like a combination of AliExpress and Oberlo. Dropshipper lists or connects product on CJ to their store, and then CJ draws orders automatically from their store and takes care of them. They also have different services here, like the warehouse service. You can also ask for photo or video taking of the product. They also have the proof of delivery plus cash on delivery as well. They also have affiliate and API support for integration and more. It is like a one stop service platform covering all the services related to dropshipping business. So everything is inside the CJ Dropshipping. And the most exciting part is that CJ is a free platform and there's no monthly fee or charges, unlike Dsers. You can create an account for free and set up your CJ and connect it to your online store for free. They also have more integration option as you can see here compared to Dsers. Plus, they also have different payment method options as well and an API tool that you can use. You will pay only for additional services such as custom packaging if you like it, labels, and logos. So, warehouse fees are only added for items sent to CJ Dropshipping's warehouse in the US. And as you can see here, they have different warehouse available in different countries. So from this, you can guarantee that your item will be shipped safe and fast. You may also pay extra charge to request for more sourcing limits, more videos and images shooting service, and for custom packaging. CJ team also guarantee that they directly connect with different manufacturer to lessen the price of its products. So you can guarantee that most of their products are more cheaper than the other supplier, including AliExpress. So when it comes to user interface, for me, CJ Dropshipping is also more easier to use than Dsers. You can easily find products from CJ and connect it directly to your online store, like for example, to your Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, or Wix store in just a few clicks. So for me, so so for me overall, CJ Dropshipping is the best because it's all in one platform for dropshipping. Plus, they also have other source of their products, not just supplier or manufacturer from AliExpress, like the Dsers. And also, there's no monthly fee. So I guess that's all for today's video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you so much for watching.